I wish it was a normal day, but it is not. So this is not what you want. This is what we want. You guys might know what it is by now, and it's gonna be unboxed again. I will show you why. It's heavy. Yeah, today we're gonna talk a little bit about the truck. What's up, guys? Welcome to the vlog game match. As always, as you guys can see, I have a jacket on. I had like a hat on, but anyway, I got home from work and we got the snow again. Yeah, can you see it? It's crazy. I was, I want to kind of defrost my truck, if you know what I'm saying. Look at the situation right now. And it's still snowing, can you see it? Look. Where I'm living, dude. Where I am living. Can you believe it? So this is probably gonna be my thumbnail. Boom. Rock lights. Yeah, that's what we are talking about today. I just want to give you guys an update. I want to defrost the truck, but look at the situation. Again, it's worse than yesterday because yesterday we didn't have snow, and my wife's car, it's getting snow now on top. So I gotta bring her car in the garage because I would need her car soon. So you guys see it here. I'll put this box right here before we do the unboxing, and we're gonna come back to this. Unfortunately, I cannot do a cold start on my wife's car, but still, you gotta wait a little bit so I can back up the car. The car doesn't get snow on top, so I can drive it tomorrow, and there, Of course, I forgot this. This is crazy, boys. This is crazy. I can't believe it. I feel like I'm leaving Canada. And I live in Canada? Maybe. Look at this. Well, enough of the weather report. I hope you guys understand why I'm not doing truck content. And I thought about going out again, but it's so icy. It's not even fun, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, just wanted to remind you guys, I got this box from Adrenaline Offroad. The guys are crazy. They are a Canadian company. It's just amazing. I can't wait to install this thing on the truck. It's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be so sick. Of course, we're gonna figure out. We have to figure out a way to install. But we need at least no snow outside, so I can get underneath of the truck, or maybe we can try to do here in the garage, half and half. We see how that goes. But anyway, if you wanna check anything they have on their website, there is a link on the description below for their website, and also a 10% code so you can use it and take advantage. They have bar lights, they have tailgate lights, they have rock lights, they have anything you need as far as light goes for trucks. Check it out. I'm quite sure you guys are gonna love it. Let's see what this box is all about, right? All right, here we go. The box itself. I hope you guys can see good. One thing before we start, I always want a rock light. When I was thinking about the lift kit, I always want a rock light. Some people are not a huge fan, all the lights underneath of the truck, but dude, I think it looks so good. It's just a little touch, then people can kind of see through the night. I just like it. If you don't like it, I would say just wait until you see it, so you can have like a better idea what I'm talking about. And if it doesn't look good, I will be the first one to remove, like I did with the wrap on top of the Corvette, right? So, okay, here we go. Here we have the box. It's very well packed, and again, huge shout out to my friends from Adrenaline Offroad. They are great. Look at the box. The box is awesome. It's awesome. LED rock lights. You have a chance to have an 8-piece and a 12-piece one. I went with the 12-piece. I can put 2 in each fender, and also I can put, as I said before, I can put like 2 on the front of the truck, or even like on the middle of the truck. I haven't decided yet. Let's see how that goes. Everything here, as far as I know, you can install and control everything from your app. So here we have the Adrenaline Offroad. You guys can follow him on Instagram as well. I have some decals, and here starts the kit. Those are the base for the pads, and we have all the hardware for it as well. So it's like a rubber pad. I'll explain it later exactly what it is, but here we have all the hardware. See, all the hardware comes with. It's a lot of work though, and you got the cables. Here we go, and that's what I was saying. Like, you have those are the pads. They are LED, and these are the base for the pads. See, that goes underneath of the truck, and that goes here. I hope that makes sense. We're going through this. I just want to show you guys what it is. And yeah, so that you attach that to the fender liner, and then you attach the pad. And what I like about this, it's a clean install. See, you have the pads here, and you can remove. Let's see if I can get one. And you can remove. Let's see if I can get one. And you disconnect, and you can run all the wire. And once you're done, reconnect that back again. It's very simple. It's like plug and play thing. Once you have everything on, boom, and you just screw back on. That's it. And that's the connection box that goes next to the battery, and everything you control through an app. It's very straightforward. I think we're gonna have so much fun installing this. And to install the app is very simple. Just scan those, and that's it. You install the app. So it's a great company. They are, as I said, they are from Canada. I just want to show you guys that we got their rock lights, so you guys know that I'm not lying. But we cannot install today or until, hold on. Yeah, we cannot install today or until the weather gets better, which I hope soon. Anyway, that will do for today's upload, boys. A really quick video, nothing fancy, nothing crazy. I just want to show you guys. Again, if you want anything regarding lights, let me know in the comments below. I can answer questions, show you the products, but there's a link for their website. You guys can have fun and see what they have available. Again, we're gonna go through this when we're installing on the truck, and I hope it's gonna be really soon. And with soon, I mean when I move from Canada back to US, alright? I'm kidding. I love you, Canadians. If you guys don't know, I lived in Canada for 5 months back in 2008. I can explain that later. Just for you guys to know how much I love Canada. I was living in Toronto for 4 months, but that's another story. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed today's upload. It's really short upload, but I'll see you guys tomorrow. As always, oh, by the way, if you are not a subscriber, make sure to subscribe. We are trying to reach 4,000 subscribers. We have 2 weeks to do it. It's really hard, but I believe we can do. If we cannot do, we can get really close, I'm quite sure, alright? I hope you guys enjoyed today's upload. As always, guys, I'll see you tomorrow. We are in the final days of the Vlogmas. I hope you guys are enjoying. And if you're enjoying, thumbs up. And as always, never forget, enjoy your life.